For this practice, we're going to work with the sound Om. Now, Om, in many traditions, Tibetan and ancient Indian traditions, is thought to be the sound of the creation of the universe, the original sound. So you're going to want to be in a space where you're alone and you're comfortable making some noise without bothering people or feeling self-conscious about it. We're going to work with the Om, and I will do it, and you can do it with me. And as we do it, I invite you to become the sound. So sit in a quiet space, get to your seat, and close your eyes, and make the last few adjustments you need to make. Relaxing your shoulders, straighten your spine, being in that comfortable position. And I will cue you, and as you make the Om sound, I'd like you to feel the vibration of it. So go even deeper than the sound itself. Feel it reverberate through you, through your voice box, your throat, and all through your body. Be as alert as you can, as present as you can to the sound. Try to become the sound. And I'm going to begin loudly and then gradually slowing it down, making it softer and softer. And then as we get softer, I invite you to continue feeling the vibrations ever more subtly, as subtly as you can. So take a deep inhaling breath, filling up your abdomen, your chest, and your upper chest as completely as you can. And then exhale everything slowly. And let's do that again. Inhaling deeply, abdomen, chest, fully and completely, and then letting it out slowly. Let's do one more of those. Inhaling deeply and completely, then exhaling slowly. Now we're going to inhale for Om. Inhaling deeply. remain with the feeling of the sound. Remain with the residual vibration.